Got a snowdrift that goes all the way around my house, at least 4 feet. Look at it. Comes around, funnels around, goes all the way around. Look at that, over by the car. Man, look at that. Stuff higher than fences. First snowplow I've seen all day. Coming up the road now, guys. Witness it for YouTube. He can't even get up the street. Snowplow pushing so much snow that it gets stuck. Can't even get up the road with it. Look at this. This road is terrible. What do you say? 37 years old, never been stranded in my house where I can't get out of my house ever in my life. Look at this. This is bad. Snowdrift 5 feet tall and 7 feet tall in the backyard. Got a snowplow over here. They can't. So much snow he can't even push it all. Got to come over and get an end loader to move it off the road.